Yo, what you lot telling me? It's Money Mike's. This is a video, a short little video on how to stand out as an artist. It's pretty straightforward, but there are some key points to really focus on if you're really trying to stand out. And it may just sound cliche, but listen, it's one of them ones. Like, once you nail that detail in what you're trying to showcase to your audience, it will make a huge difference. Number one, I definitely say it's your appearance. As you know, your appearance is huge, and it's always becomes the focal point to your audience because it's the first things they see. Is the eye catcher. For example, myself, what I was previously dealing with before, no one would have expected me to start wearing a suit now all of a sudden. They're like, oh? Even some people was like, what? Bro, Mike, is that what you're dealing with, fam? What, you're in a suit now? I'm thinking, yeah. And the reason being is because a suit is what represents a real entrepreneur, a businessman, correlates with what I already do. So if you're able to really channel the energy of what you already do with your image, perfect. You know what I mean? That's what people gravitate towards, is authenticity. Also, my line of work is already dealing with a suit. It just happens naturally, do you know what I mean? So it just makes sense. Number two is your sound, your voice. Everyone has a distinct voice, including yourself. You know what I mean? Like, whether your pitch is high, your pitch is low, your pitch is medium, you just gotta use it to your advantage. Depending on what track you're working on, that obviously depends on your ears, because we all hear different music. Well, we all listen to music differently. There's no such thing as perfect, but getting it to the best of its ability will just go a long way. For example, like myself, I've got, I wouldn't say a pure deep tone, but I've got a more deeper tone, so just below medium. And just grasping it even more, trying getting it to really nail the genre I'm trying to push, or nail the sound I'm really trying to hear. For example, myself, I'll be like, now there ain't no shame, man, I hear right back like James. You better not mention my name when the negative shit in the clout and game. You know what I mean? It's just like, I'm notching it down a bit, so it's like, it shows that aggression, that fierceness. You get me? So that's the kind of sound I'm really trying to get out there. Do you know what I mean? It showcases anger and frustration, and it aligns with what I'm already going through. You know what I mean? So just channel that energy to really like fit in with the tune that I'm trying to put out there. Perfect. Nailed on. Those are the main two things. Once you nail them two things, everything else is light work. Make sure to subscribe to Be On Point Entertainment. Yeah, follow us on social media at Be On Point Entertainment. You can also follow myself as an artist. That's at Money Mike's, MYKEZ. Also, let me know as well any sort of other videos you would like to know, any sort of info, any sort of other how-to videos you would like to know. And yeah, man, I'll record that and put it out there. It's not easy, you know what I mean? It's not easy, but all it takes is consistency, perseverance, you know what I mean? And bro, like, you never know when things will just take off, you know what I mean? Like, it just needs to be in the right hands. Your music just needs to be in the right hands, and once it's in the right hands, that's it. You're off the skyrocket. You feel me, blood? Stay tuned, and I'll catch you real soon.